Today I'm going to show you how to crop your video inside CapCut if you want only a specific part of your video to be shown. So let's jump right into it. I'm Jack Wilcox. This is the Mirror Camp YouTube channel, and let's show you how to crop a video. So the first step is to drag in your clip. So I'm just going to drag in this skate clip and I'm going to drag it into my timeline. And you know, this shot, it's a bit wide. I want to crop in a bit more on the skater. So here's how you do that. And here you have all of your tools. You're going to go to this one that says crop ratio. You're going to select crop ratio, and right away there's an issue. The crop ratio is on free. We don't want it to be on free because as it is now, you can crop this, you can make this however you want, and it will kind of mess it up. For instance, if you did press confirm here, you see it's, you know, there's black bars, it's not aligned. So we're going to undo that. And we're going to go back to the crop tool and we're going to change the crop ratio to 16:9. That is a typical horizontal aspect ratio for a landscape or horizontal video. If you wanted to do this vertically for vertical, you would click 9:16. As you can see here, it is now in vertical format. But for this video, we want it to be in horizontal or landscape. So 16:9, check that. And now you can just freely move this and crop it and move this around on your screen to wherever you want it to be. So I want it about here, maybe make it a bit bigger, might be too cropped in, and just alter this to the part of your image you want, move it around, and then once you're done, press confirm, and there you go. There's no limit. You can always go back to it. You can move it around, make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever you want, and just press confirm, and your changes will be saved. But that is the basics of how to crop in CapCut. Super easy. Couple buttons, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video or got something out of it, make sure to drop a comment, leave a like, or maybe even subscribe too. It really helps the channel out. And check out our other videos and click right here. This is our newest one. I'm sure you'll like it. See you guys in the next tutorial.